Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Khai. This is
Apple of the Eye.
Bringing fresh talent from HAU. So, how are you feeling today, Nick?
Okay, I'm feeling really awesome. This is our second episode for our web show. And of course, as you remember, in our last episode, we brought to you the music of Disclosure and Sam Smith with Josh Deason's cover of Latch. Now this time, we bring to you a lady of great confidence in the eve of the Hunger Games.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's call in our Apple of the Eye, Sharlene Whitaker.
Yes! Okay, so Sharlene, tell us a little something about yourself. What course are you taking up? Your college? Personal thoughts? Morse code?
So I'm Sharlene Whitaker. I'm 20 years old and I go to the College of Arts, Sciences and Education here in Double Angel. I am a secondary math major.
Okay, so you're a math wizard.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, that's not our expertise, so let's keep moving on.
So, what are your musical influences?
I've been influenced by a lot of kind of music.
Yes.
I've been influenced by pop and alternative and metal too.
Wow, for
kind
a girl.
of forced into
Metal
it,
for a
but-
girl is extreme, but awesome. Nonetheless, very awesome. So, do you have any specific musical genres that you prefer doing?
I don't like having a specific thing. I think you should be open to all the kinds of music and just express what you want to express.
Okay, very well said. So, you will be singing a very special song to us right now, a ballad, right, Khai?
Yes. Oh, so, the title is Safe and Sound by Taylor Swift.
And of course, it was a song that is very specific to the soundtrack of the Hunger Games made back in 2012.
So, what are we waiting for?
What are we waiting for? Alright, here is Sharlene Whitaker's take on Safe and Sound.
Tears streaming down your face when I said I'd never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your light, I remember you said don't leave me alone. But all that's dead and gone and past tonight. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The war outside our door keeps raging on. Hold on to this lullaby, even when the music's gone. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright.
that was Sharlene Whitaker's take on Safe and Sound by Taylor Swift. So thank you very much, Sharlene, for that wonderful cover.
Thank you for having me.
And of course, very lovely voice. We'll be seeing more of Sharlene in the coming episodes of Apple of the Eye.
You can also cover your favorite songs. Send in your requests on our Facebook and Twitter page and email as well.
And of course, that's all the time that we have for today. I'm VJ Nick.
And I'm VJ Khai.
And our very own Sharlene Whitaker, this week's Apple of the Eye.